everybody, welcome to Totally Primal. I'm Dave, and with me today again is Chef Tom. And tell me what's going to be happening today.
We're going to go country cooking from Germany.
Oh,
you can take our German Primal dog and put it on a nice bun with some sauerkraut. It's really nice by itself. But we're going to take it to another level today. Early 16th century, in the 1500s, or maybe even earlier than that, they used what they had to grow. So potatoes were growing there, cabbage would grow there, so they were easy to harvest and fed a lot of people. So most of those early recipes are really peasant-type recipes that came from field workers and farmers that just found ways of taking the things they had to work with and making them taste good. A lot of the things developed over time, adding ingredients to the mix to create what we know today as German cuisine, but the roots certainly go way, way back. We're going to take these primal German dogs and we're going to simmer it in some amber ale.
Oh, is that what's going on in here?
That's what's going on here.
Oh.
And then along with it, we're going to do a couple of classic German country cooking dishes. Fantastic. One is Rotkraut mit Apfeln, which means boiled red cabbage with apples. And then the other is a dish that's famous in Germany called Himmel und Erde. It means heaven and earth, apples from the heavens, potatoes from the earth, baked together with some cinnamon and nutmeg and butter, and the finished product is delightful. So we're going to put this all together and make you a classic German skillet dish.
I'm excited. Let's get into it.
So we got the dogs simmering.
And the kind of prep work that has to go into this: red cabbage, potatoes, half-inch dice on the apples also?
Absolutely.
All right.
Red cabbage in small enough dice, or you can shred it. Either way, it works.
Okay.
And it's just simmered with some red wine vinegar, ground cloves, some brown sugar, simmered together for a sweet and sour cabbage. That's a totally classic German dish.
Now, these spices that I've had experiences with, that's kind of like a warming spice. So I'm kind of getting the idea of what this is going to taste like in the end, that real comfort food type thing.
Exactly, and that's the essence of German food, is that it's comfort zone food. It's comfort zone raw materials, and the finished product is country style. The grind is authentic sausage. Frankly speaking, I think it's a travesty to call these dogs their sausage. They truly are sausage and can perform in that capacity amazingly so. They have natural casings, so that when you put those on the grill, there's that little snap to them when you bite into them, and then the flavors explode. And the jalapeno cheddar is what I refer to as Wisconsin hot. In Louisiana, they wouldn't call it hot, but it's just kind of the right flavor profile. It's kind of a finished heat that doesn't overwhelm you. But what they've really gotten done is a marriage of flavors, and it just makes the product outstanding. We got the dogs simmering up nice here. They frankly don't necessarily need to be simmered in amber ale, but
it's primal.
Really good simmered in amber ale. Take this bad boy.
Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. And there's so much meat in there. No, you can tell when you cut it apart, it's not just covered in fat. It's not mostly fat.
This is so classic German. We call it our German Primal dog. The fact is, this is very similar to Mettwurst. If you went to Germany, this is very similar to
I agree.
Mettwurst. Himmel und Erde, made with venison bacon, and the Rotkraut.
Oh, that just looks so good. Folks, let me tell you, the smells going on in this kitchen just blows me away.
Pull up a chair in front of the fireplace, kick on back, and enjoy some German classic cuisine.
Wow, that is amazing. So, simple ingredients, getting back to the basics. What's more primal than that?
It's totally primal.
It's totally primal. So, once again, thank you for joining Tom and me on Totally Primal, and we'll see you next time. And in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna go. Now he's ready. All right, the apple's ready.